In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your orders on Shopify. Managing orders effectively is crucial to running a successful online store and ensuring your customers are happy with their purchases. This video will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you feel confident every step of the way. First, let's start by navigating to the Shopify admin page. Log into your Shopify store and you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your launching pad, where you can access all the administrative functions necessary to keep your store running smoothly. You'll see an overview of your sales, your store's performance, and accesses to different administrative tools laid out here. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Orders. This will take you to a dedicated section where all the magic happens with managing your customer purchases. Here, you'll be able to see all the orders that have been placed, both fulfilled and unfulfilled. The order screen provides a detailed view, so you have everything you need at your fingertips, from customer details to order value and product specifics. Next, we focus on those orders that still need to be fulfilled, which are essentially the ones waiting to be processed and shipped to the eager hands of your customers. Click on Unfulfilled Items. This action will filter your list to show only those orders requiring your attention, making it easier for you to prioritize your tasks. Seeing only the unfulfilled orders in the list enhances your efficiency by preventing you from wading through orders you've already processed. After pinpointing an unfulfilled order, it's time to take action to move it along the pipeline. Click on an order to open its detailed view, revealing all the information associated with it. Make sure to go over the order details. This includes double-checking the accuracy of the items, quantities, shipping information, and any specific customer requests. Doing so ensures that you catch any discrepancies early on, avoiding potential customer complaints later. The final step in this process is clicking on Fulfill Item. By doing this, you're initiating the steps to get this order on its way to the customer. In Shopify, fulfilling an item usually involves packaging the products and generating the necessary shipping labels. If you've set up integrations with shipping carriers, Shopify can also help you print these labels directly, streamlining your workflow even more. With these steps, you can handle orders with ease and ensure a seamless experience for yourself and your customers. Following this system will help you maintain organization and efficiency as your store grows. That's it for today's tutorial on managing orders in Shopify. I hope you found this guide helpful